Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel again.
Question 9. Discuss obesity, diabetes, depression, and drug addiction as prevalent health problems in detail. Obesity. As a matter of fact, obesity is one of the major prevalent health problems, not only in India but throughout the world. The problem of obesity and overweight have been steadily rising among children and teens. The children who are obese face serious health problems. It further leads to asthma, joint pain, high blood pressure, and heart diseases. Diabetes. As a matter of fact, most of the persons have type 2 diabetes, and most of the persons don't even know they have it until they develop other health problems such as kidney disease, vision loss, or erectile dysfunction. In fact, diabetes is related to stress and it can worsen in two ways. First, it increases unhealthy eating habit. Second, stress seems to raise the glucose level of persons with type 2 diabetes. Depression. There is no doubt that persistent stress is related to higher rates of depression as well as anxiety. According to a recent survey, it was found that the people who had higher stress had an 80% higher risk of developing depression with a few years than people with lower stress. Depression, which leads to other health problems such as heart diseases, mental diseases, and suicidal tendencies. Drug addiction. The drug abuse in our country is increasing day by day. It is especially popular in youths. If these drugs are taken persistently for a prolonged period, an individual becomes addicted to these drugs. This habit is termed as drug addiction. Alcohol, nicotine, steroids, morphine are such harmful drugs which are endangering the youth of our country. These drugs increase the risk of strokes, brain damage, kidney damage, lung cancer, and even death. Question 10. Discuss the role of health education in solving health problems in detail. General awareness about health. General awareness should be provided among people regarding health. They should realize the importance of clean atmosphere. They should be provided the knowledge of various pollutants which pollute the environment and enhance the chances of various diseases. Installation of pollution control devices. Various pollution control devices should be installed in machines and engines. For this purpose, bag filters, absorbers should be used. Dumping of waste. Human waste, animal waste, solid waste should be dumped in low-lying areas. After a proper time, it may be used as fertilizer or biogas, may be produced and may be utilized. Emphasis on recycling of waste. The industries which produce goods and other materials also produce waste products. These waste products should be recycled. Question 11. Explain the role of various organizations and community in rehabilitation programs. The Indian Red Cross Society. It takes care of disabled servicemen. It has been executing the programs for promotion of health, prevention of diseases. It makes a good contribution in relief work. All India Blind Relief Society. It coordinates various institutions working for blind persons. It is specially meant for the blinds. It organizes eye camps. Indian Institute of Technology. It makes wheelchairs for physically handicapped. It provides teaching aids for handicapped children. Without effective role of community in rehabilitation, the process of rehabilitation definitely remains incomplete. As a matter of fact, it does not matter how much economic help a community provides for the rehabilitation of disabled persons, but it always matters how a community boosts the morale of such persons. Just to provide them some artificial limbs, crutches, and wheelchairs. Medical treatment and financial aid is not enough. A community should respect such persons. It should do something to change the things, to change the attitudes of the society, and to educate the community to accept disabled or handicapped persons as significant members of the society. A community should not segregate them from others. A community should always try to enhance their self confidence. Question 12. What do you mean by disability? Discuss the causes of disability in detail. Disability means inability to do work. In fact, it is a state of an individual when he cannot work efficiently. Disability is the reduction of functional ability to lead daily fruitful life. Mental factors. The cause of mentally handicapped may be hereditary but may also be due to stress, tension, and anxiety. An individual becomes mentally retarded. He fails to control his mind. He cannot keep his balance of mind. He loses the power of thinking. He behaves madly. Physical factors. Heredity also plays major role in physical deformity of an individual. Physically handicapped may be by birth. This may also be due to diseases like polio. This may also be caused due to injury. Accidental factors. Life has become so fast that accidents may occur anywhere, anytime, and at any age. Such accidents may happen at the place of duty, on the roads, and at the playfields. These accidents may lead to disability. In industries and factories, it is common. Malnutrition. Balanced diet is necessary for good health. Lack of balanced diet creates many difficulties and diseases in the life of many people. Certain diseases are caused by malnutrition, such as night blindness, rickets, color blindness, beriberi, etc. Due to these diseases, children become disabled. Question 13. Define disability. Elucidate the general principles for prevention of disability. According to World Health Organization, a disability is a restriction or lack of ability to perform an activity in the manner or within the range considered normal for a human being. Regular exercises. Regular exercises are essential if we want to prevent disability. Exercise keeps an individual fit completely for work. Those who perform regular exercises may prevent diseases by having greater immunity. Rules should be followed. Everyone should be made aware of regarding the rules and they must be followed. At least we must follow the road rules if we want to prevent accidents. Control over one's emotion. One should keep control over one's emotions. These emotions change the behavior of an individual dramatically. It has been observed that most of the accidents happen under emotions. Under emotions, an individual loses his concentration of mind. Precautions. Accidents are the main causes of disability. Workers or employees should take proper precautionary measures whatever, whenever, and wherever they perform work. Question 14. What do you mean by rehabilitation? Enumerate the scope of rehabilitation. The word rehabilitation has been derived from the word habilita, which means ability. So, rehabilitation means to regain ability. World Health Organization has defined rehabilitation as combined and coordinated use of medical, social, educational, and vocational measures for training or retraining the individual to the highest possible level of functional ability. Occupational rehabilitation. A person who may be physically disabled, but even then he may perform his work if he is not occupationally disabled. The physically disabled persons can also perform work which suits to them. They can do those jobs efficiently and can earn their livelihood properly. Use of artificial limbs and crutches. Due to accidents, some organs may be damaged completely. Hence, they are amputated. After that, they are provided artificial limbs, crutches, and wheelchairs, etc., so that they may perform their work smoothly. Medical checkup. Medical checkup is performed of the disabled person by the doctor. This is very important part of rehabilitation. A lot of things depend upon proper diagnosis or medical checkup. After that, they are treated properly. Question 15. What do you mean by correct posture? Discuss the importance of correct posture. Correct posture means the balancing of body in accurate and proper manner while standing, reading, writing, or during any other action of body. The foremost impression of an individual is gathered from how he stands, sits, and walks. In a proper posture, the whole body weight falls on both feet without any effort, and the entire body appears to be in a vertical line. It means that correct posture is a position of the body held without any sense of effect. The body weight should be equally distributed over both the legs and feet as to produce least fatigue. Correct posture may also be defined as a assumed position which enables the body to perform or function efficiently. Physical appearance. It is a natural phenomenon that every individual wants to have a good physical appearance. In fact, physical appearance depends upon the posture of the individual. This leaves the first impression. Physical fitness. Physical fitness is essential to live a fruitful life. Physical fitness can be achieved if you have good posture. The balance, coordination, flexibility, etc. are the components of physical fitness. Lessens the fatigue. Correct posture lessens the fatigue because all the systems of an individual's body perform their functions more efficiently. An individual feels less fatigue due to less stress on muscles and joints.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment if you are having queries.